Are you curious about the differences between Suno AI and Riffusion? Today, we are diving into how these two tools stack up against each other. Both Suno AI and Riffusion are designed to help users create music using artificial intelligence. They each have unique features that cater to different needs in music production. Let's start with Suno AI. This tool focuses on generating music based on your input. You can specify genres, moods, and even instruments. It's user friendly and great for beginners who want to experiment with music creation without needing deep technical knowledge. Now, let's look at Riffusion. This tool takes a different approach. It uses a unique method called diffusion to create music. Diffusion allows users to generate soundscapes and melodies by drawing waveforms. It's more visual and can be appealing for those who enjoy a creative hands-on experience. So, what are the main differences? Suno AI emphasizes user input for generating music, while Diffusion focuses on a visual approach to sound creation. If you prefer a straightforward guided experience, Suno AI might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you like experimenting and creating visually, Refusion could be more your style. When it comes to features, Sano AI offers a range of genres and customizable options. Refusion shines with its unique sound generation method, allowing for more experimental sounds. In terms of pricing, both tools have free versions, but they also offer paid plans with additional features. It's worth checking their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you want to create music easily and quickly, go for Suno AI. If you're looking for a more creative and visual way to make sounds, Refusion is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.